Coleus plants. So today I will be sharing with you some caring tips about growing coleus. So this is one of the best permanent plants and beautiful variegated plants. They add colors to our garden and such a easy plant to handle. Even a beginner gardener can easily grow these plants with just a single stem. They are in varieties of many colors and many shades and wonderful indoor plant too. You can grow them in outdoors and also such a beautiful plant to keep indoors. So the first tip is these plants love the morning sunshine, direct sunlight. Morning bright sunlight these plants will prefer, and also if you are keeping them outdoors they will grow even in the partial shady sunlight. So that is the first thing. But too much of direct sunlight, the evening sunlight, this plant will not prefer and the leaves of the plant will fade away. So keep in mind to keep these plants in an area where it gets the morning bright indirect sunlight. So when it comes to watering, the top inch of the plant layer should be dry out for you to water. But in hot summers, you can water them twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. And also keep in mind, do not overwater these plants because they do not prefer the soggy soil. Pinching of coleus will promote the plant growth, and also they will you will see the development of the branches. So always pinch it from the top on the middle of the plant. Encourage the plant to grow. So pinch on the top of the coleus plant to encourage more growth. That is another tip of growing coleus. So to get bigger leaves of coleus plant, healthy leaves, you can give nitrogen, and tea leaves fertilizer and coffee fertilizer is such a great way to get this plant leaves healthy, large and beautiful. So can give fertilizer once a month, but do not give liquid fertilizer during the rainy season. That is best during the summer season. Coleus plants can be easily propagated in water within 3 to 4 days. If you keep it near a windowsill where it gets the partial sunlight, they will grow very beautifully. So propagating them in water is very easy. Take a stem cutting, healthy stem cutting from a healthy plant, and put them in clear water, and you will see the root develop so easily. Or else you can put the stem cutting in sand soil, just sand, and leave it in a shady area for the plant to grow. Water them when required. So these are the caring tips of growing coleus plant healthily and bushy. So hope you find this video very useful, and if you are new, consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching. So that it is really very beautiful to look at, and it adds wonders to the garden. It adds beauty to our garden. So try adding 2-3 colors together in one pot. When talking about pot size, when the plant mature, you can transfer these plants to bigger pots and give them ample space for their growth. You can grow many colors together of this coleus plant so that the look of the plant will give a absolutely gorgeous. So now here I have mixed up the green color coleus plant with a red leaf one.